It's a rainy season now in Sembalun, but today we're gonna take a beautiful picture of the river, as we call it Tibutole. This place is already exists from a long time in Bawaknau village. I will try to use long exposure to get the beautiful picture of this river. I will try to take it with the long exposure, use my old camera Nikon D3000. This river is the first time it's crossed by the water. Like you see, now it's like a really brown water or chocolate. But we don't take it like the rabbits here, like you see so many rabbits. But we will take it the beautiful only, not take a rabbits. So just waiting for the best moment for I showing you the picture. This time I try to use my 600D Canon to use a long exposure, but it's not good enough to take it, so I change it to use my old camera Nikon D3000, and I think that's one is like the best one for me. So just waiting for the Nikons coming through the water. Time I'm gonna take it the beautiful landscape with the big rock at the middle of the river that is crossed by the water. So I use the long exposure. It's like 1 until 2 seconds. So this is